Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. I will discuss about the thinking today. Okay, so thinking is very, very important. Okay, and it is hard. Okay, let me tell you the fact. Thinking is hard. Thinking is not easy. Okay, but we have to make it easy. Okay, we have to make some process around it. We have to know how we think. Okay, how does it feel when we think, what is our process to improve our thinking. Many people execute the things, they get even results, good results. Okay, they try to do everything, but they don't try to think. Thinkers, you can take anybody. Thinkers are really leaders. Okay, it's a challenging task to think. What happens when people start to think, they just think in one way or two way and start executing them, and then they get the results, they become happy. If they don't get the results, they become sad or demotivated, and then say things doesn't work for me. They don't try to think in almost all the directions, different directions. But very few people really think, really think. Okay, also I have read a book on thinking, how successful people think. You can note down the name of the book, How Successful People Think, by John C. Maxwell. Okay, so first go through that book, try to read that book. Okay, I will be describing about what are kind of the thinking, you know, in that book have he has discussed. Okay, so but the important thing is you have to make some plan around thinking. You have to dedicate some time only to thinking. Maybe 10 minutes a day, maybe 1 hour a week, maybe 4 hours a month. But in that time, you should be not doing anything else, only thinking part, only thinking. Okay, it's same, when you do exercise, your muscles get stronger and stronger, right? Same way, if you think, more think, strategically think, your thinking muscle will become stronger. Okay, and then you will not have blockage in your mind, you will not have blockage in your thinking. Are you getting the point? So simple process is, dedicate some time, maybe 10 minutes a day. Okay, 10 minutes a day, only just thinking what I am doing, why I am doing, how I am doing. Okay, all those kinds of the questions you have to ask. Okay, and maybe probably think on the paper, not just in the mind. Think on the paper means ask the questions and write down the answers. Ask the questions and write down the answers. Okay, then try to execute. Don't just jump into the execution part. You must be knowing end to end process or end to end thing, that where should I start, where should I finish, what will be happen, what will happen in the in between, who will come into the picture, where I am going to execute this, after execution how I am going to feel. Okay, getting the point? So this Process is simple, okay? Process is simple, but it takes efforts, courage, willpower to really think. Okay, once you become flexible in your thinking, you will find yourself that you are executing most of the things, not one or most of the things. Once you have become flexible in thinking, flexible in the sense you are able to think in different directions, not only one direction. Most people think one or two directions, that's it, not more than that. But if you are able to think in different directions, maybe come up with different ideas, maybe 10 ideas, 20 ideas, okay, then making the decisions, okay, how you are going to do it, how you are prioritize them, and then prioritizing them. Suppose you have come up with the 10 ideas, then what are the two most important, three most important ideas you are going to take action right now, or in a day, or in 2 days?